If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it very well. Simply, great scientists I don't understand. As you can see, this cone is cut in various angles. You get ellipse, parabola, and everything. And even this ellipse can be formed when you just cut at an angular cone. Okay, and also you can draw with thread. Most of them don't know that you can draw only composite. Even the ellipse is found in the Saturn's ring, and also when the satellites roam the planet, it forms an ellipse. So it can be formed by just cutting a cone in various angles. And also when the fountains, they under the gravity, they form this parabola. Okay. So after that, this hyperbola is a very typical one that it can be found in the night lights, as you can see at the top and the below. And also you can see this night lights light up in such manner and the parabola is formed at top and bottom. And also you can see when in the satellite every ray focuses at the midpoint of the focus so that the signal is transmitted. This is the way to draw the ellipse, a standard way of drawing the ellipse. And you have other standard ways in engineering graphics and engineering drawings. Okay, but we are not going to do that. Instead of that, no, I'm not going to bore you with that. Oh my God, please don't bore me with those engineering drawings. Please. And so I took a ladder. So that ladder is 100 inches. Okay, it is about 100 inches. And in the 100 inches, what I did itself, I'm showing you this 100 inch. Okay, within this 100 inch, I am taking half of it, it's 50 inch. Okay, that is what I am telling. That I am taking the half of this thing as 50 inch. And I am just tying a very shiny toy, skipping toy on it to track it. What is this? In my 12th standard, I have read a question that when a ladder falls, the midpoint traces an ellipse, half of the ellipse. So I am going to test it today. Okay. So what I did is I am taking 50 inches from the top from here. Okay. And after that, what I am doing is that I am going to take this 50 inches and I am going to tie a toy over there. Okay. And after tying a toy, I am going to drag it downwards. As you can see, I am dragging it downwards. Okay. So the ladder is like slippery, it just falls. So again, what I am doing is that I am just taking it back. Position. And again, what I am doing is I am just keeping it leaning on the wall, and I am pretending in that question what happened itself, that ladder will skip it away. Okay, I am going to track that shiny orange part so that I am going to track what curve it's going to use. And another toy I am going to use is this ball. I am going to track when this ball flies in the air, it forms a parabolic trajectory. Can you see it? You cannot see it. I know that. Okay, again, please watch it carefully. You cannot see it now also. Okay, so this is how we are going to track it. And after that, tracking the parabola, I am going to track the hyperbola also. But it will be the third part. So let us go to the second part of the video. Okay, so now what I am doing itself, I am making a parabola. So again, I am just tracking parabola, and also again I am tracking a parabola where you can't see it, and again I am tracking a parabola where you can't see it. But now, what I am really going to do is just meditate in yourself inside about these curves, different kinds of curves, and how they are formed in the inside. So after that, what did I do? I just took a tracker software for physics. As you can see, I am just opening it. It will take some time. Okay. And after, what I did is, I'll tell you the step-by-step procedure. Okay, first I am just finding the video and just going through it, and after finding the video, I am just selecting it in the software tracker. This is a video analysis software. Okay, so it is just building it inside, and after that it comes inside. So my first attempt was a failure because I didn't track it. Okay, then I chose the access from here, and I made a point mass, and I just created a calibration stick, and I just named it how to quick shift to use that calibration stick, and I just calculated I could not frame the screen. So after that, what I did is, as you can see from here, this it is tracking the fastest thing. Okay, it's tracking the fastest thing as much as it can. As you can see, as I am tracking that orange part, it is just falling down. Okay, and after sometimes you can see a visible curve like this, like a ellipse. It looks like this. So I am copying this both. Okay, I am copying X, and I am just opening the grapher, or Excel sheet also you can open. I am taking the grapher sheet, and after taking the grapher sheet, after taking that graph, I am just choosing this, going to the series point detection. So I'm going to the series point detection, and I'm just pasting it over here, and I'm just deleting the mass and X, and again it is just taken up to that value. Then again what I'm doing, I'm just copying this and just taking here, and I'm just pasting it over here. And I'm just deleting this both. So I have a curve of this nature. Oh my god, what is this? I could not. So I am just drawing a ellipse to explain this. Okay, as you can see, it is over here nicely formed a curve ellipse. So this is how, when you just track, when a ladder falls, it forms an ellipse, 1/4 of an ellipse. Okay, this is how I do. Okay, so this is how. Another curve is called parabola. How it is formed, I will show you. Okay, I am just drawing a stick, calibration stick, where I am 6 feet, which is 1.8288 meter, and after drawing it, I am releasing the ball. Okay, I am releasing the ball into the air from here. So what happens is that the ball flies, and I'm just making search of that ball wherever it goes. Okay, so it is taking a long time. So after here I have to make it. So from here I have to make it. So in here I am making a mark, and after making a mark, I am just moving it upwards in that mark. After that, the marker is being done. I am just clicking search. Okay, after that it will track that ball's trajectory. As you can see, it's a curve. So this curve is formed because it is a parabola. Okay, this is how the trajectory is formed. Then after that, I am copying this and I am pasting it over here. So it forms a nice curve like this, as you can see from here. And I am just doing this regression. Okay, I am doing this regression so that I am just trajectory of, as you can see, when at an lot at an 45-degree angle you get the maximum projectile. This is what is being said. So in order to copy this, I am just opening this and I am just showing you guys. Okay, I'll show you how did I form regression. I'm just choosing that series. I'm just choosing that series. and I'm just clicking the regression and I'm clicking the polynomial of order 2 and it forms a very smooth curve. This is a regression curve. So this is how the parabola and ellipse are formed in nature. So these are the two things I want to show you. So thank you friends for staying with me, for showing this curve ellipse and this other curve parabola so that it forms in the nature. And I also have to show you about hyperbola, which I will do in another video. Thank you.